Hi, welcome to FluxBuilder, a drag-and-drop app builder. Let's continue with the series of videos showing you how to create your own mobile app using FluxBuilder App Builder. Do you want to try this new cover mode of Tabbar? Let's start to configure this kind of Tabbar on the FluxBuilder App Builder. Log in to FluxBuilder. If you do not have an account, sign up for free with your email. Select the app you created, or select any of the apps in the Featured Apps section below. You can choose many types of the float button and its radius. Enable Clip to see the cover mode option. Use your 2 fingers to zoom in on the emulator to see it clearly, then use the mouse to drag the emulator. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you.